Cool, nice. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Audrey. Big oof. Positive. Busy. Daryl. Deeds. Hefe. Balaj. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Special. Good morning, everyone. Calls or puts. Let's see. Let's see where life takes us. Good morning, Juan. What's up, brother? Let's see where life takes us. Let's see where the market drifts off today. So far, clear bearish momentum heading into the day so far. Morning, Beamo, what's up? So we're breaking below. All right, so we've finally broken below the 443 bottom that was trying to be made around 442.75. So it looks like we can fall lower, but yesterday we broke below it. Today we've fallen even lower. So let's see if this holds, but yeah, let's see what's going on. Not in any rush to take any positions, and just we could pile it on and we could be aggressive with trades. We could be way more aggressive with trades when there's better opportunities on larger time frames. Sometimes, like every month, there's always like a few days where the market is going to be choppy. It's not going to be as easy to pick a direction and choose a proper direction for the day. This is one of those days. Because when we look at the chart on a daily, on a larger term time frame, clearly things are bearish, but then we are very close to levels of support. And yesterday, the issue was that we did not get a big enough bounce. So yesterday I was saying that 444.50, 445 would be a good, if you were going to go long, that would be a good place to take profit on those longs. But, you know, how is that still a really good shorting opportunity? That was barely a blip on the radar. We should have at least gotten to 440. If the buyers brought it to 447, then maybe people would have loaded up on shorts and there would be enough sellers to just completely eradicate this below 442.50. But yeah, I'm gonna be interested to see how many sellers and what sort of momentum the market is going to show today. Good morning, Alejandro. Good morning, Blair. Eric, Harmful, Smiley, Isaiah, Brian. Good morning, everyone. And yeah, I'm very, very excited. Finally, I finished up on some PowerPoint presentations for the course. So now it's basically just, just gotta, they're basically done. Then it's just a matter of recording, getting the script basically of like the timetable of like what I'm gonna be talking about throughout the video after the course, like after the PowerPoints, like what specifically I'm gonna be talking about. But yeah, I mean, it's gonna be pretty fun, to be honest. It shouldn't be a lot of work anymore to make the course. No, it's obviously no. It's gonna be free. I'm gonna be posting it on YouTube. But once that's done, and once like I show you guys my thought process of how I find everything, like I'll probably make like a more detailed, advanced version of it. But there's always like so much for me to do, and I don't want to just prolong this. So yeah, I'm excited. Morning, Elizabeth. Morning, Jay Sharps. James, bro. Yeah, it's gonna be free for everybody on YouTube. Good morning, Zadran. Rayhan, good morning. Salam, good morning, good morning. Yeah, yep, just straight YouTube. Birds go, good morning. Yeah. Tomorrow news are heavily read. Yes, tomorrow is very important because tomorrow is the Fed meeting and the Fed rate. So that's why the market is sort of choppy today. That's why the market was very choppy yesterday. Because generally heading into the like very important Fed rate meetings, the September meeting is very, very important. It's going to set the tone for the rest of the year. And at the end of the quarter, it's going to set the tone for it. So it's very, very important. That's why we're seeing some choppiness right now as well. Alaikum salam, my brother. This is Excalibro. All right, so we have 442.85 as a major resistance on the SPY. It's also coinciding with the 50 SMA, and the VWAP is right above that as well. The NASDAQ is holding still right below 369.50, and the VWAP on the minute, the IWM is doing well. 183.08 is resistance on the IWM. It's right here. Oh, let's see. Let us see if we can get a move. But yeah, I think honestly, if this is the way that the market is going right now, usually what happens is we get a move. The move lasts maybe like 3 or 4 minutes. And then if it lasts for 3 or 4 minutes, we consolidate for 20, 30 minutes. And then we have another move in the opposite direction or continued move. So yeah. So on days like those days, then it would be difficult to really catch the move because there isn't that much follow through. Let's see. Like if there were a lot of buyers, this would, on the NASDAQ, this would be a buy opportunity on the NASDAQ. We should hold 368.94 on the Qs, and this should bounce above, but any other day would be a really good, easy buy opportunity. IWM comfortably breaking above 183.10. Choppiness. The SPY failed at VWAP. Also trading right below 50 SMA and the 442.85 level, just coinciding perfectly. I can't wait until like I show you guys exactly how I find all this stuff, because then you just make everything so much easier. You guys are gonna have all the levels on your chart. You're gonna see how I find all the levels. Yeah, man. Okay, big pop out of the NASDAQ. Really big green candle out of the NASDAQ. SPY is still weak because the IWM big red candle. Damn. That was a really good move on the NASDAQ. We have resistance on the NASDAQ at 369.90. Huge red candle on the IWM. So, huge red candle on the IWM. All right. NASDAQ, huge green candle. And the SPY is still sort of not really doing much because it has, it's being affected by the IWM's big red candle. So, starting out as a barcode kind of day. Just passing by. Hello, bro. How you doing? I'm doing well. Hope you're doing as well. Also, what's happening with the fix tomorrow? That's gonna be tough. There should, honestly, I can't even say. I'm not sure. I have a love hate with these type of market conditions. Yeah. Yep. +5. Nice. Good job. Kim, good morning. Randy, good morning. Okay, clearly a bearish setup on the SPY. But again, we're very close to the level of support. This is not a bullish setup. So ideally, they bring it up a bit higher. start showing some weakness and choppiness, maybe some dojis, maybe some wicks to the upside, some weakness, and then we could short. That's basically my thought process here. Until then, we're just gonna wait. Okay, I'm not going short just yet because we're not seeing weakness at resistance. So shorting like this would just be really risky. We still have to keep an open mind. Obviously, just choose the proper direction, see which way the market wants to go. So the IWM is finding support. The NASDAQ is also finding support, but it's wicking. Let's see if it could hold above 369.50. Wow. Okay. Yeah, buyers stepped in pretty heavily here. What the? I'm disconnecting. So the NASDAQ clearly failed above 369.50, failed above the all of the exponential moving averages and everything, and also but now it's close to 368.90. So what? Unfortunately, I don't want to go short right now. I still want to be. I want a good level to short against as a stop loss. So something like this, I don't want to. So say for example, we're just looking at this chart right now, right? And this was just a red candle. I would not want to go short here. Even now, as we popped up here, I still don't want to go short. I want to be greedy. I want like the best optimal point. So I want a nice like pop upwards, closer to 443.10, closer to 443 like 15 basically. Like that's where I would want like the trade to happen. And then also coincidingly, I would want to see some weakness out of the NASDAQ and the IWM. Because right now, this is still, honestly, it's just still not strong. So I don't want to go long, but it's not showing the best. It's not showing the best opportunities to short, nor is it a bullish setup. So yeah. Choppy voice. Internet. Hello? Hello, can you guys hear me? My internet just went out and it just came back. Can you guys hear me? The stream is still up, which is good. Thankfully. Alright, perfect. Yeah, man, my internet went down. Came back, so that's good. Now is 100% not the time to enter short. Now is just, if you want to go short, you would have to go light and you would basically have a stop loss right here. This would be a more defined, closer short, but we're just so close to support now. Just down here was definitely not a time to short. So they just messed around with people right now. Could go short right now, but this is just really ugly price action, to be honest. This is just really ugly price action. Do not get caught trying to short weakness. That's why they ripped it up. And if you do want to try to trade the shop, right, you short close to levels of resistance. So now, honestly, like this should, given whatever just happened in the past few minutes, this should be falling lower. This should just continue falling. But choppy price action. SPY is right at 442.50. The NASDAQ has support at 368.32. And the IWM is showing some lows though. It's breaking below new lows. Now it's at support at 182.33. What is this range? 442.39 to 443.20. We're in less than $1 range. Okay. So far on the SPY in the morning, less than $1 range. So yeah, if there was momentum, and if this wasn't so close to a level of support, this should be falling lower. But yeah, man. What the heck? Um, hmm, so one thing about the stock market is that it rewards people that basically pay attention to the charts all day. The people who can look at the chart throughout the day, they have more opportunities to go long and short. And the more opportunities you have to go long and short, the more trade setups you can basically take that are high quality. So on choppy days, right? Sometimes the chop ends at like 11:30. Sometimes it ends at 10:30. Sometimes it could end at in the afternoon. So it's really just if you can continue watching and being patient, that's when a lot of good opportunities come your way with the stock market. Mm, any Midwest? Jackson. Sorry, been doing good. Yep, doing great, man. I hope you've been doing good as well. Good stuff, man. I hope you've been doing really well. Happy to hear you're doing good. 442.20 major support. 440, 442 is better support, not 442.20. I got calls on Nvidia. Do you think it'll come back? It's kind of tough. That is tough for me to. As long as it can hold above 432, 430-ish area, then yeah. But I'm not sure where you bought the calls, and I'm not sure, you know. But this could be a day where Nvidia falls back lower. It's tough. It's tough for me to say. It's risky to try to long here, even though it might work. This is sort of risky. Mm -hmm. Okay, we're at this 442 level now. The IWM is showing some strength. The SPY and the NASDAQ are showing weakness. The NASDAQ has support at 367.50. So we could still fall a bit lower. Mm. Oof. Mm. This trade, you guys have to take it very, very light. I'm in very, very light SPY calls. Really, really light. This is super, super risky. Very, very light. Okay. Very light and very risky trade. So just please be cognizant of that. Very risky, very light. Okay. This is loose. I'm just gonna hold it loose. Like we're close to 441.30, 441.50, and the NASDAQ is also close to support. Let's see if we can get some buyers here. If not, it is what it is. It's not gonna work. But very light and loose. We need to see a strong spring back up, or if it consolidates like this, we can make another leg down. So let's see. So we basically need like a lot of buyers to step in quickly with like a strong green candle. We need a comfortable break above 441.70, 441.80. Until then, this is still risky. Not enough strength. It would have been way better if we had that candle close above 441.80. But you can see that it still did not. So that's why there's still showing a lack of strength on this pop. Well, not a pop, but you know, a little bottom that's being formed. Until we break above that level quick, this could make another leg down. So this is why this is risky. This right here would be a great point for them to spring it up. A lot of people became bearish. A lot of people started adding to shorts on the bottom. Be a good point to show a big green candle. Like a really solid candle above 441.80 is what we need. It needs to happen quick, or we're going to continue falling lower. Anything that you're doing right now going long is super risky here because we could still make another low. But now is 150 million% not the time to go short. If it falls lower, so be it. But it would be a very, very aggressive short. Okay, some strength out of the IWM. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. This would also be a good little opportunity to go short, or not, to rip it up. The more bearish they make it look down here at support, sort of the more bullish it is, because they don't want people to. Yeah, let's see. Any day now. It's okay. Allowed to pop to the upside. It's all right. Didn't want to average down, but I just want to see this play out the upside. I don't really care to average down, to be honest. It wasn't, you know, even now is still not a really good short opportunity. I'm sticking to that. And huge green candle out of the NASDAQ. Okay. IWM is holding support. Let's just see. He's out. Maybe in hindsight, we should have averaged down. It is what it is. I was thinking to myself as we got it at like mid 60s, I was like, they're going to drop it to the 40s, have people sell it, and then rip it. That's pretty much what happened. But yeah, I didn't really want to, I didn't want to get into like a trade where we would average in so close to FOMC. That was basically my thought process of why I didn't average. NASDAQ's at 368.30 resistance now. Everything is at a really strong resistance right now. So, but it's still not a good shorting opportunity. It's not a good shorting opportunity. It's just more of not a great buy. So we need to see if 441.35 level can hold as support. And then there might be more buyers that'll step in at that level for a break back above 441.70. But right now it's risky to try to long into levels of resistance. The NASDAQ, the SPY are both at resistance. This is bullish. By no means, like, is this like a safe shorting opportunity, to be honest. This is more of a bullish opportunity, but it would be better to go long at 441.30, 35. That's where the market needs to hold. This is the longer it takes to interesting. Any other day this would have like an explosive move to the upside. We would be touching VWAP. We would be retesting VWAP within the next few minutes. 442, 442.10 in the next few minutes easily. We need to find something like fun to do when there's like chop and consolidation while on the stream. Maybe play like a, I don't know, maybe play like a game, or I don't even know, maybe something entertaining to do while this is happening. Maybe could watch a show together, or like go watch a movie or something. I don't even know. When this outdates like this, what do you guys think? I was not looking at the chart at all. Um, they also crossword, do some push-ups, play geolocation guess, bro. Those people are geniuses. Like the people who do that stuff are genius. It's crazy. Eat food. I don't know. I keep playing this 4 cent move. Watch NFL highlights. Oh, sorry. Um, teach us levels while waiting for chop. Michael, no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's a good idea. Honestly, Michael, that's the most fun to do. I'm gonna start posting the levels every morning on like Discord and Twitter, like ahead of time, so it'll give you guys like the levels that I'm gonna be watching for support and resistance. I haven't been doing that, so that'll definitely help. Um, play Tetris, do YouTube clip reactions, read news. These epic music backgrounds. Having a hop on the stream for entertainment. Watch NFL highlights. Damn, yeah, play football again. Solon, are you still playing football in that league? Take stop picks from chat and analyze. Let's see. Okay. Big red candle right at resistance 441.70. Now it's holding above the 10 SMA. So let's see if buyers can step in and hold this level. Support here. Definitely enough people became bearish. Let's see if it actually does something here. So it came back close-ish to 431, 441.30. It showed support here, showed some resilience. That is interesting. But yeah, still not enough buyers down here close to support after a lot of weakness. Yeah, if the contracts break below 40, I'm just gonna sell. Not really calls are increasing in value as the price is falling. Interesting. And one of the worst things that they could have done, basically, drop it down at 1016, 1017, and then make a green, like huge green candles afterward. So we still remained in the range, but yeah, so this is funny price action. Mm. NASDAQ's back to 367.50. Oh, support showing. Buyers just need to step into it. Sellers are in control. This just continues falling lower, and we don't get at least a little pop up to 440, 180, 440, 190. That would be pretty interesting. All right, let's get out of these. Hmm. Mm. Four 40.77 basically needs to hold. This is pretty weak if they don't. Should swing off of 447, 440.80. Um, this usually gets like a huge rip to the upside. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Not every day is show lots of movement. This was just a dead day. Like there was no indication that it would be a good. I mean, we saw bearishness, we saw weakness, but we didn't get any good solid bounces back to resistance to get safer, shorter entries. And simply we just went long at resistance with a very light, risky, super risky trade. Didn't work out. This needs this. I would be surprised if 440.70 doesn't hold. 447 hold, and we should get a bounce at least 441.40. Yeah, I mean it is what it is. Dang, this should. Oh man, let's see. Hmm. Yes, this is a lack of buyers price. Okay, 440.70s. Now we're back to 440.77 resistance. This is crazy if we don't bounce here. This is crazy. This would be absolutely insane if we don't get a little bit of a bounce above the 10 SMA at least. Because what are they going to do? They're going to make another low, break it below 440.44, and then what are they going to bounce it at 440? Yeah, this is just a lack of buyers stepping in. Like sellers are just in control so far. Like, I mean, pretty interesting. Can they finally have enough buyers to step in and break above resistance? Yeah, I'm not gonna just continue watching this. Fortunately, we missed the shorts in the morning, but it just wasn't really good short opportunities. You would have to be really, really aggressive, and there were safer long opportunities, but it is what it is. They didn't play out because it's just a lack of buyers. But yeah, man, overall, dry day so far. Tomorrow we will have FOMC and the Fed rate being announced at 2 o'clock. Will probably be some more chop tomorrow as well. But yeah, that's why on days, I didn't really trade much at all today. And seems like they're just gonna continue to chop it around resistance and support. They need to break it above at least one time. Should break it above. That'd be great. But here's my thought process as we get off of stream. So if the SPY breaks above 440.90, then as long as it holds above 440.85, 440.80, then this will continue going higher. So that would be a good opportunity to long. But it's just a matter of when that's going to happen. But yeah. Cool. All right. That being said, pretty dry day. Yeah, man. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm gonna be here tomorrow morning. Love you guys. Take care. Wow, it's kind of loud. Oh yeah, man. Cool. Love you guys. Take care. Have a good one. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't overtrade, as you can see. Lots of choppiness. Just be careful. There'll be days where we could load it up and take a lot more trades where there'll be a lot more movement in the market as well. It is what it is. Not every day is like that. So, especially right before FOMC. All right. So yeah, love you guys. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. All right. Take care. Have a good one.